I'm Matt Messick with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America, and I'm amped up to show you a little bit more about our 2025 Isuzu NRR EV. Today we're talking a little bit more about the motor that's here in front of you, and it is what puts the power to the ground. This is a liquid-cooled, single-speed, three-phase ZF C-Trax Lite, capable of putting out 150 kilowatt power, along with 280 pound-feet of torque, with regenerative braking to help your batteries last a little bit longer. Hi, Matt Messick with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America, and I'm here with our 2025 Isuzu NRR EV. Now, this beautiful truck behind me, with its updated and redesigned cab, is more than what you can see on the surface. Underneath, it's got an entire electrical architecture system that has been designed with cybersecurity in mind, future connected vehicle strategies such as telematics, and a suite of safety features.
Hi, my name is Tim Ellsworth with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America. Today I'm here to talk to you about the battery setup on our 2025 Isuzu NRR EV. This truck in front of you is equipped with 5 battery packs for our 100 kilowatt hour battery setup. This truck is also available in 3 other battery pack configuration setups. We have a 60 kilowatt hour battery pack setup, which is 3 battery packs. We have a 140 kilowatt hour battery pack setup, which is 7 battery packs. Or we have a 180 kilowatt hour setup, which is 9 battery packs. And that's all dependent on the wheelbase and available space on the chassis. So let's talk a little bit more detail on the battery packs. Each battery pack is a 20 kilowatt hour battery pack. The batteries are self-contained and they're liquid cooled and heated to maintain proper thermal temperatures. The batteries are tested to ECE R100 for shock, fire resistance, vibration, and impact. So as you can see on this chassis, these batteries are well suited for the truck. Hi, my name is Tim Ellsworth with the Isuzu Commercial Truck of America. Today I'm here to talk to you about our charging setup on the 2025 Isuzu NRR EV. Let's open this charge port box and take a look inside. Inside the box, you'll notice there's 2 different charge plug locations. The first one, the top port, is our AC charging, which is our typical US standardized J1772, which will support up to 19.2 kilowatts of charging capability. The lower portion, combined with the upper portion, turns this into a combo 1 charge port for DC fast charging, which will support up to 80 kilowatts of charging capability. Overall, if you're wondering how long it takes to charge this vehicle, well, there's a range. If you go DC fast charging, the range is somewhere between 2.5 and 3.5 hours. When you look at the AC slow or overnight charging, the range is anywhere from 6 to 10.5 hours. Hopefully you learned something about our Isuzu NRR EV charging. Thank you. Hi, my name is Tim Ellsworth with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America. I'm here today with the 2025 Isuzu NRR EV, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some of the safety features and enhancements that we put into this truck. First off, all Isuzu NRR EVs will come standard with airbags, driver and outboard passenger airbags, steering wheel switches, and automatic headlights. In addition to that, you can see this truck is equipped with a dual sensing camera system for our ADAS package, or Advanced Driver Assistance System. The system contains automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning system, full range adaptive cruise control, a distance alert system, which basically will alert the driver at a predefined distance to the vehicle ahead, a forward vehicle start notification, which will notify the driver when the vehicle ahead takes off from a stop, such as an instance at a stoplight, and misacceleration mitigation, which will limit engine output if there's an obstacle in front of the vehicle and the operator presses the accelerator pedal excessively. Hi, my name is Tim Ellsworth with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America. I'm here to talk to you today about the Isuzu 2025 NRR EV. And a major topic of interest these days is related to payload and how it differs on electric vehicles compared to ICE vehicles or internal combustion engine vehicles. The main thing here is we're adding batteries and adding a little bit of weight to the chassis, which is not there on a typical ICE vehicle. So looking at the different configurations we offer, you're going to see a range of maybe some benefits or some downsides to the payload capability. First off, with our 60 kilowatt hour battery pack, that chassis is going to be slightly less weight than our N-Series NRR diesel variation of this truck, about 200 pounds less to be exact. When we look at the next version, the 100 kilowatt hour version, that chassis is going to be about 800 pounds heavier on the NRR EV when you compare it to the NRR diesel. When you go to the 140 kilowatt hour battery pack, you're about 2,000 pounds heavier on the NRR EV. And lastly, when you get up to the 180 kilowatt hour with 9 battery packs, you're close to 3,000 pounds heavier when it comes to the chassis. So looking at that in more general terms, comparing it to the NRR diesel, the NRR diesel has a chassis payload of about 13,000 pounds. When you look at the NRR EV in that range that we just went over, the payload is going to be anywhere from about 10,000 pounds upwards of 13,000 pounds.
Hi, I'm Matt Messick with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our 2025 Isuzu NRR EV. And it's something that a lot of people have anxiety with, and it's range. This truck gets anywhere from 40 to 235 miles of range, depending on many conditions. And a lot of things can vary, whether it's temperature, topography, driver habits, it's all over the place. But if you look at all the different battery packs that we offer, we have a 60 kilowatt option that'll get you 40 to 80 miles of range. We have a 100 kilowatt option that'll get you 68 to 130 miles of range. We have a 140 kilowatt option battery pack that'll get you 95 to 180. And then our biggest and baddest one is our 180. And that'll get you anywhere from 122 to 235 miles. And a general rule of thumb, if you're looking at our battery pack option, when you go from 60 all the way to our 180, is about 1 mile per kilowatt hour.